Welcome to another episode of Beginners Barbecue Outdoor. Today we're doing an ultimate pork sandwich on Blackstone. Let's fire up that Blackstone. Alright, so what we're using today for this ultimate pork sandwich is going to be pork butt or pork shoulder, bacon, ham, cheese, on a French roll. I think it's a French roll from Costco. We're going to cook all this, and I'm excited to try this because this is just an idea to pop up. It's like I want to do a sandwich, but what can I do? Pork sandwich. Here we go. So what we're going to be doing is, so what I did with the pork here is I put it in the freezer, and then when it was frozen I took it out, and then start shaving little pieces, kind of like you would for cheesesteak. So we're going to add our oil. This thing right here, if you guys have not seen it, it's a tray warmer, which is a lifesaver if you're doing other things. You put it up here and it stays warm. So our seasoning of choice is going to be the Johnny seasoning. Might as well put the bacon down too. I looked to see what kind of sandwich I wanted. There was many things. We had the pork, we had the bacon, so it just made sense to do ultimate ultimate pork sandwich that had pork shoulder, I think it is, bacon and ham. So I'm cooking everything at medium high. And if you look at all my videos, that's where I like to cook, medium high. So now I'm going to go ahead and start cooking the bread. I'm going to start toasting it. And then that's the beauty of this. Once the bread's toasted, then I can add it up here. I'm going to put the ham down. So the way to find out about the seasoning on your pork, I just add a seasoning, but I'm going to wait till it's cooked. I can taste it, and if it needs more seasoning, I can add more. A bit more butter. Some butter. Add that there. Now the only reason I'm using this kind of ham, this is the only ham I had. I thought I had some other bigger ham, but I don't. So I'm using this. You can use some other hams. So I'm going to let this here. This is ready. Set it right there. So now we can try one. I'll have to dab more. But it's almost there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this ready. And all I'm going to use is mayonnaise. So that looks like it's ready. So, time to add some cheese. And you guys can use whatever cheese you guys want. I'm going to use this one. American cheese. Bring the pan out to help me get water. I might have a little bit. Oh, I did. See? So I'm gonna bring this. I'm gonna do it this way. Oh. Put the ham and the bacon. Then I'll put the bread. Look at that. That looks good. Alright. Let's go take a taste test. I'm excited. So here's the sandwich. We're about to cut it and do this taste test because I'm ready to try this. Look at that. Ooh wee! It smells good. Looks good. Now let's give this bad boy a try. Alright, now so we're ready. This looks good. It was pretty easy. Something different that I would do maybe is use one of those bigger French roll breads. I think that would be really good. And instead of this little ham, use the other bigger, thicker ham. But other than that, everything else looks good. So let's go for it. Oh man. It's funny because you can taste all three. You can taste the ham, you can taste the pork shoulder. I think what it was. You can taste the bacon. And it's just, man, it's really good. If you're into sandwiches like I am, you love sandwiches, this is something you might want to try. This is just the beginning. There's more ideas for sandwiches. Bigger, better for sandwiches. Hungry Man edition type sandwiches. So make sure you guys give a like. Give a subscribe for future videos. They're coming and they're coming fast. And then leave a comment. What's your favorite type of sandwiches you guys like? My favorite sandwich is turkey and bacon sandwich. So turkey, bacon, avocado, all that in a sandwich, but turkey is my favorite. So let me know what you guys' favorite sandwich is, and we will see you guys next time.